Welcome to this WallControl 10 video on banners. Banners have been introduced in WallControl 10 version 1.12 and allow users to add an asset across the video wall either as scrolling text or RSS feed or as static text. As you can see from the video wall on screen now, you can mix and match banners across your video wall and they will appear above any content that is on screen. Banners are created and used within the new Assets tab of WallControl 10. It is very straightforward to create a banner. Simply click the plus button and a console will appear. If you wish to enter an RSS URL, choose RSS and add the URL. Otherwise, add some text in the text box. You now have some choices. You can choose the font from the list for your particular banner. You can choose the color, whether the background will be transparent or opaque. You may choose your font size, margins and any default height and width that you require. You can also choose the scrolling speed and whether the scroll is from left to right or from right to left. Blinking will also add a flashing element. Give your asset a name. Save it either to the wall specifically or globally to the whole wall controller. Now we have our new banner. Simply drag that onto the wall and use your mouse to position the location. As you can see on the live view of the video wall, the banner will go across. I can add sources onto my video wall at the same time. Positioning them as necessary. As you can see, all content will appear underneath the banner, so please take this into account when you are choosing whether to use a transparent or opaque background. Banners can be saved in layout files for quick and easy recall. In this example, you can see some static banners, some scrolling banners, and an RSS feed scrolling across the top.